And as we prepare for our own winter storm and all the headaches that come with it, how about something to look forward to? The quietness that freshly fallen snow brings. There's actually a scientific reason for that. Snow is made of ice crystals, and there's a lot of space between those crystals. It's porous, kind of like foam you see in music studios to dampen sound. Just 2 inches of snow on the ground can dampen up to 60% of sound waves. But once it starts to melt and turns to ice, the opposite happens. Ice reflects sound waves. I don't know, Tony, no matter how much snow is on the ground, it will not dampen the sound of my kids screaming.
Let's go out and play. Yeah. Or the sound of plow blades tomorrow morning. Right. But yeah, still a high impact system on the way. We're still going with 4 to 8 inches of snow. If you kind of split the difference between 4 and 8, on average, at least a 6-inch snowfall. Where is it? Well, across the mid-Atlantic, Pennsylvania, Virginia, and the New Jersey coastline. And you can see it's still to our south. And the arrival time is around 3 o'clock in the morning. And it really ramps up once we get closer to 5, 6, 7 a.m. So here's the track, developing storm offshore. It's a fast mover. Some of our snowstorms in New England can move fairly quickly and others can be very slow. This is in and out, so it's in by daybreak and it's gone by early afternoon. But during that short window of about 5, 6 hours, the snow's coming down pretty heavy. Winter storm warning for the areas in purple overnight, late at night through at least early afternoon on Friday. As we take a look at, well, what the scenes will look like tomorrow morning, the plows will be out. If you don't have to be on the roads, give the plows some space to do their work. The DOT clearing the roads, but a steady snow is likely. 4 to 8 inches. That'll be realized by noontime once the snow is shutting down, and obviously poor travel and poor visibility as well. So as far as the travel forecast, it's certainly starting by, say, 5, 6 a.m. through noontime. It's poor. Now the weather does improve, the visibility improves during the afternoon, and the road conditions will. Doesn't mean they're necessarily down to bare pavement, but things will be better weather-wise second half of the day. It's dry in Providence and cloudy, no snow yet. It is still several hours away, so we keep the threat tracker low for this evening and bumping it up to severe for tomorrow morning, just for the simple fact that this is very high impact, coinciding with the morning commute, poor visibility, and for a time, especially between about 5 and 10 a.m., it may snow at the rate of 1 inch per hour. That is just coming down in sheets. So poor visibility, and it collects very rapidly. Sometimes it's hard for the road crews to keep up when you have that kind of a snowfall rate, but it does ease up quite a bit by noontime. It is better the second half of the day. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised to see some partial sun before the day is done around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So there's the system taking shape off the coastline. There's cold air to our north that'll be filtering in, supporting an all snow situation. We're not anticipating any rain as the storm tracks north and east. So let's take this into the future. This blue shield represents a band of heavy snow. That is 6 o'clock in the morning. There's the storm offshore, 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, still snowing, but watch the back edge starting to pull away. This is around 11 o'clock. The snow is letting up, and then look at the clearing by late day and into the early evening hours. So let me draw you in even closer. We'll get a look at this in a more hyper-local look. Find the town or city you're interested in, watch the time bar, set this into motion. The blue is the snow. You can see the arrival time is around 3 o'clock in the morning. The darker blue is very heavy snow. Look at this, 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock in the morning up until about 10 a.m. But by noontime, it is starting to push away. The clouds are actually breaking out in Connecticut. And by 3, 4 o'clock, we could actually see some partial sun before it sets. Then clear, windy, cold weather tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night. Statewide, a general 4 to 8. So what this means is on the low end, 4, on the high end, 8. If you average this out statewide, at least 6 inches of snow. So here's the deal tomorrow morning, really coming down at a good clip, very heavy early. By 11 o'clock in the morning, it is letting up a little bit, upper 20s to low 30s, and it dries out, maybe a lingering flurry at 1 o'clock, partial clearing late day, windy and cold. Temperatures upper 20s to low 30s. 7-day forecast. It's better tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. Cold sunshine on Saturday, bringing rain showers on Sunday at 32 later in the afternoon. Bitter outbreak of cold air. Look at this high temperature on Tuesday, upper teens to lower 20s with some sunshine. But a difficult morning commute with very heavy snow in the morning. Mike and Shannon.
Tony, thank you.